Hey guys, Clayton with Cameo Fencing here. Welcome back to the Cameo Fence Skill Builder number 9. We've already run our Cameo Pulse. Now we're going to show you how to run the Cameo. First thing we'll do, we'll get rid of our rolls of the Pulse. Now again, we're using used rolls of fencing, so yours will come covered in plastic. We'll put our Cameo on our roller. And here, the beautiful thing is with this stuff, if you've got a couple people, I've run 4 lines at a time. We've had 4 guys working, one guy pulling, one guy making sure they stay separated back here, and another guy going behind him, putting the lines into the brackets. But I'll show you how to do it 1 line at a time. We'll just bring it through our pole, and we're going to go for a walk again. I'm missing the pin on this one. I'm just going to use a screw for now till I can find the pin. All right, now that we're at the end, I can see where this one came through the roll. We're at it wrapped up. It's kind of kinked up. So I'm going to come back here. I'm going to cut that on an angle. You see that? What that angle does, I'll feed it through my pre-drill holes, but that angle makes it much easier to get on the one-way vise. That one-way vise will feed through there, and I'll usually just give me about a foot or so. Now we'll go back to the beginning and I'll show you how to stretch it. Here we are back at the beginning where we started pulling. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to cut this on a little bit of an angle. I'm going to hold that so it doesn't go crazy. Cut it on a 45. I'm going to take my one-way vise, feed the Cameo into it. Now here's a very, very important part. What I want to do is I want to pull this tight enough that all I've done is taken the sags out between the post. And that's kind of my starting point for how much tension I want to pull on this. So now that my sags are out, and I can see the whole way around my fence they're out, you know what I mean? This isn't a very long run. If you've got a long run of this, you may have to go to both ends and pull it just a wee little bit just to get the sags out. Do not tension it at this point. Just get the sags out. We're going to grab another strand of Cameo and we're going to go for a walk. Hey guys, we've got our Cameo lines run. Look here, I'm going to teach you how to tension the Cameo fence. This is very important. A lot of people get this wrong. It doesn't take tractors, it doesn't take come-alongs or skid steers or nothing like that. You only have to do it by hand. And what I've done is I've pulled this fence just tight enough that the sag between the post is gone. This is only 180 feet of fence. If you've got a long fence, you know, you may have to go to both ends to make sure the sags are gone, but because this is so short, I can see the other end, and I know that I've put just enough tension on it that I'm no longer sagging between the poles. And again, 180 feet, let's say we take out 1% of tension on this fence. So 180 feet, we want to take out 1.8 feet. I'm going to come around here to the back side. I'm going to mark this with a tape measure, 1.8 feet. Just call it a foot 8 inches, probably be close enough. We've got a mark on our line. Now I'm going to pull this line till that mark hits the pole. I just wrap it around my hand and give it a pull. Now there you can see our mark is a 1/2 inch within our pole. We know that's tight enough. So we've got our top line, our second, our third. Let's go ahead and tension that 4th one. Again, I'm going to mark it at 1.8 feet or 1 foot 8 inches. There's my mark. I'll grab a hold of it by hand. I'm going to give it a pull. I can see my mark there. We're going to give it a little bit more. Yeah, I may have gone an inch or two too far on that one, but that's all it does. That's all it takes to tighten the Cameo fencing. The last thing we're going to do is we're going to secure our tag ends to the fence. What I'll do is I'll fold this thing down and cut it about an inch away from the one in front of it. just like so. Give that one about 6 inches of a cut. This is where our line straps come in. Our line straps and one of our screws. And all I'll do is put that in there. You want it to be in line so it looks pretty. I go about halfway up. Get that thing pretty close. Take our line, tuck it into the strap. And screw it down. And the only reason I do that is so that if we ever have to tension this later, all I gotta do is undo that screw and I can pull on it. Guys, there's what a finished end post looks like. You can screw these in, you don't have to. I usually don't, just in case something ever goes wrong, I don't have to mess with that screw. The tension of the line is going to hold it in there. But that's what a finished Cameo fence looks like. Again, our poles were already set, but I managed to do the Cameo pulse and the Cameo in a collared shirt, and I'm not dirty. Stay tuned, we'll show you how to hook up the electric.